look good in that truck.
I know. I like it. And now he's going to try to park it.
Oh God, I know.
You better move out of the way.
No, I'm gonna. Oh, he's gonna pull in frontward?
I think he's going to try to back it in again.
Yeah,
He
probably.
almost hit the Jeep the first time.
I know.
That scared me.
I'll get back here and guide him. I'm gonna try to get him as close to that edge as I can.
I don't know if I'm supposed to record this, still record it, or turn it off, or what.
No, it's alright. We'll just turn around.
Cartman, move. Okay, Cartman.
Oh, he'll move. Look at Cartman licking his foot. There he is. It's not gonna be there long. Cause here comes.
Where did Andrew go?
Dun,
Let's
dun,
take him
dun,
somewhere.
the monster.
Shh. It's recording this.
I know. That's why I said.
Stop. Can you zoom in? I don't even know how to work this
Cartman,
thing.
Here comes the monster.
Oh, there he goes. Move, Justin. Are you retarded?
So he's backing it in.
I don't know what he's doing. What did he just say? He's going to go buy some gas? Is that what he said?
I don't know what it is.
He better turn right around.
No, he said something about the gas.
Oh. Thought he said he was going to go buy some gas. He ain't got no money anyway. So. And it died.
Oh, he killed it. How did he kill it?
Well, at least it started back up.
Yeah,
I still like the way it sounds.
That's
Except for that squealing or squeaking or whatever it is after
the
it.
belt.
It is pretty. He ought to put the hubcaps back on it before he have me take a video.
He will. He's probably
I
gonna,
mean, it looks...
gonna spray that one rim again.
He wanted to. He wanted to get some black spray paint and fix the thing.
I like that grill.
He shouldn't go that damn fast up through here like that.
Pretty big, he's going. He's gonna do it a little bit.
Now he needs to stop.
He's not going for a little bit. You know this. Hey! Come on. Keep going, keep going. We're not. Hey. Pull out. Let me guide you over so I can keep you right here. I don't want to be far over. I'd like you to be far over. Well, let me move the Jeep. You can park here. I'll park over here.
He needs to not park it in the tree. It's going to get... Oh, God. Where's he going?
I'm gonna move the Jeep over there.
I don't want tree sap on the Jeep. He didn't have to park underneath the bush neither.